How to make animated Stickman videos completely free using AI. Have you been asking yourself the same question? Don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. We'll also make sure the characters stay consistent in every single scene. First, take a look at this channel. They have over 90,000 subscribers with only 45 videos, and they uploaded their first video just 5 months ago. That means they grew extremely fast and are now making serious money from this style of content. So how are they doing it? If you watch their videos closely, you'll notice something interesting. Most of the videos are made using simple static Stickman images. They barely animate the characters, yet they still get millions of views. In this video, I'll show you how to create the same style of content, but even better by animating the images using AI tools completely for free. I'm also going to share a secret sauce that makes the entire process fast and easy. I created a master prompt that handles everything from start to finish, including image prompts, voiceover scripts, and video prompts. I've already placed the master prompt in the comments below. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss future AI tutorials. First, I copy the prompt from this section and paste it into ChatGPT. Then I go back and copy the second piece of text. After that, I paste it into the Insert Topic section. Finally, I click Generate and wait for the result. Next, I go to the Gemini website to create the images. I click on the Create Image option and paste the prompts for each scene one by one. Once all the images are generated, I download every photo. Now comes the exciting part, creating the actual video. First, go to Google Flow. Next, click on New Project. For this to work properly, make sure Flow is open and that you are logged into your account. Now choose the Frame to Video option and upload the first image. Be very careful to upload all the photos in the correct order. After that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompts from part 2. Then return to Flow and paste them into the prompt section. As you can see, there is a Send button. Once you click it, the AI automatically turns each image into a fully animated video scene one by one. One very important thing. Do not close the Flow tab while it is generating the videos. Once everything is finished, download all the video clips into a folder. Next, let's create the voiceover. For this part, I use TTS Studio. It's a powerful free tool for generating AI voices. Once I'm on the website, I choose a random voice, and then it's time for the script. I go back to ChatGPT and find part 3, which contains the voiceover script. Each scene has its own text section. I copy all the text and combine everything together. Then I go back to TTS Studio and paste the full script into the text section. In the style instructions, I ask for a warm and motivational tone. Finally, I click Generate Voice. Once the audio is ready, I download it and import everything into my editing software. Then I carefully match the voiceover with the video clips to create a clean final result. And just like that, you now have a fully animated AI Stickman video made completely for free. Now, let's watch the final result.
Every night, he told himself the same thing. I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow never came. Then one day, he imagined meeting his future self. And honestly, that changed everything. His future wasn't ruined by one big mistake. It was built by tiny habits repeated every day. One small choice mattered more than he thought. Phone, or one step toward his goal. So he started small. Just one page, one goal, one tiny promise to himself.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what type of AI tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.